In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google chat history. To get started, make sure you're already signed into the Google account that contains the Google chat history you want to export. This is important because Google Takeout will use the account you're currently logged into, so checking that first can save you time and help avoid exporting the wrong data. Once you're logged in, go to Google and search for Google Takeout. Google Takeout is the official Google tool that lets you download a copy of your data from different Google services, including Google Chat. When the search results appear, click on Google Takeout to open the export page. After the page loads, it should automatically recognize the Google account you're signed into. In other words, you'll already be in the correct account if you logged in beforehand. It's a good moment to quickly confirm you're in the right place before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Google account. On the Google Takeout page, you'll usually see a long list of Google products selected by default. Since we only want your Google Chat data, click on Deselect All. This clears all the pre-selected services and makes the export much cleaner and easier to manage. Next, scroll down through the list of products until you find Google Chat. When you see it, click the checkbox next to it so that only Google Chat is selected. This tells Google Takeout to prepare an export specifically for your chat history rather than including unrelated data from other services. Once Google Chat is selected, continue by clicking Next Step. This takes you to the export setup screen where Google prepares the final export request based on the data you chose. From there, click Create Export. That action starts the process of generating your Google Chat archive. Depending on how much chat data is in the account, the export may be ready quickly, or it could take some time. In many cases, Google will process the request in the background, so you may not receive the file instantly. After you create the export, just wait for Google to finish preparing it. If needed, keep an eye on the Takeout page for progress. The main part of the process is selecting the right account, choosing only Google Chat, and submitting the export request correctly. And that's it. That's how to export your Google Chat history using Google Takeout. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a clean export request set up with just the data you need.